Write your name, ate. Are you writing your name? Wow! That's so nice.
There's another one.
Huh? Why did you erase it?
Sorry, I need to do it again.
It looks fine.
I don't do the eyes too expensive.
How about Nami? Nami, how about you? Write your name. You're not writing your name. You write your name. Go on.
I'm write your name. I'll be a big grown-up, just like me.
Yeah, write your name, Nami. Yeah, like that.
Okay.
See?
She's writing her name?
Yeah. Her name is...
Yeah.
You're making an excuse, Nami. You should write your name. Ate is writing her name. Look, oh. Look at ate. Look at ate, oh. Ate is writing her name. How about you? You write your name. Come on. Write it. Kasi mangot ka pa dyan. Write your name. Like that. Ate, how about your name? That's ate. Nami, this is yours, oh. This is yours. Write your name. Another one. How about a circle? Huh? How about a circle, Nami? Can you draw a circle? Huh? A circle. Like this. Like this. Circle. Oh, ikaw naman. Your turn. A circle? That's a circle? Macy. How about ate? Ate, what's your name? You haven't finished even just one? That's ate's. That's not yours. You have your own here, oh, nak. This is yours. That's yours. Ay. Nami? Ay, that's not nice. Oh, how about you change with ate? Ate, oh, this is yours na. This is yours na. Oh, that's yours. See? Yan ang gusto mo. Palit kayo.
Yay!
Sige na, ate. Sige na, ate. Write your name.
Mama, write your name. Look at my dad.
Write your name, Nami. Nami, your name. Write your name. You're done, ate?
No.
After you're done, show it to me, okay? Macy, that's fine. That's okay, ah. Martina, I can read that. Martina. Nilagay na sa tainga yung isa, oh. Hey! That's not a cotton bud. That's a pen. You should write here, Nami. Ay, talaga naman.